Guys, welcome back to another video. So if you're aware, when we work with deal objects, especially with deal stages, it gives you the ability to add conditional properties. So for example, if you're changing the deal stage from inquiry to a meeting scheduled, and there are a couple of fields which need to be filled before it moves to meeting scheduled, you can configure that so that when the deal stage changes from inquiry to meeting scheduled, all of those are filled and only then is can a deal move to the meeting schedule stage. Now this was there for deal stages, but there's a very similar thing when it comes to contacts, which is called lifecycle stage, and this option wasn't available earlier. But HubSpot has recently introduced new update wherein you can now add conditional properties to lifecycle stages as well. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to implement just that. So as usual, you need to come to settings, and over here under objects, I'll go to contacts, click on life cycle stages. And now if you see, these are all of the life cycle stages, and you see the conditional stage properties. There's a new tag over here because this is a newly introduced feature. So what I can simply do is, for example, now if I want to move a lead from a contact from lead to a marketing qualified lead, I'll just click on edit and I'll add the required properties. So I can add the buying role, I can add buyer name, and I can make it either optional or I can make it required. And I click on save lodge. So now if I come to this contact, if you see the life cycle stage of this contact is currently lead. Now, when I try moving it to the marketing qualified lead, if you see both of these properties which we configured are displayed over here and both of them have been made mandatory. So without filling in these details, I will not be able to move this to a marketing qualified lead. So this is actually beneficial because this helps keep your CRM up to date and all of your teams, be it the marketing team, sales team, your customer success and support teams, all of them are aligned and have the same set of data to look at. So that's how easy it is. Very quick configuration, but a very useful one. Hope this helps. Thank you.